I'm sorry about the sound on this film. I forgot to take my helmet camera with me, and even the sound that's recorded is poor, but at least you'll get peace from my voice. I've come up Glen. The big mountain across there is Ben Wyvis, and as I come round, the green hill there is Milan Turk. There are actually two of them, there's one further down the road. We're good at inventing names in Scotland. But a lovely day. Thunder forecast for the afternoon. Right, I've taken the wee bike out for a shakedown run after all its repairs. I've repaired the primary drive chain, putting a new link in it. I've repaired the tank mount. These were just by the way, but I have reset the valve clearances to what BSA recommended in the past. And I've also fitted a new regulator rectifier, which on the whole is working fine. But if I put the lights on, it starts to withdraw current. It goes over to the side I don't want it, of discharge. wee bike seems to be running fine again. Its only problem is discharging when you put the lights on.